Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening up is this L.O.L surprise OMG Dazzle. So here's how the box looks like. And as you can see, here is 4 dolls to collect, which is Groovy, Babes, Speedy, Star, Dazzle, and Angels. And as you can see, I obviously have Dazzle. So here it is, and I was really, I couldn't wait to open this up because like, it was everywhere sold out. So this was sold out in every single shop that I know. But now it finally came on, otherwise I would have opened this up a long time ago. But yeah, and this is series 3 or 4. I don't know. I think it's maybe series 2. I don't know. No, I think it's series 3. It doesn't written here, so I don't know. And there's 15 surprises, and these are Unbox Fashion, Dress Me, and Shine Bright Black Light Surprise. So I can't wait to open her up. And here is written, OMG, we sisters ready for lights, camera, fashion, cause when outrageous glowing surprise. So let's just open this up. So yes. And by the way, here's written, hey sis. And don't wonder why she is always my favorite doll. That's why I'm so obsessed about her. And by the way, I already have Candylicious. It's just I didn't record her because I forgot. Here she is. She's now one of my favorite L.O.L dolls, but I can't wait to have this one. And she is series 2, I believe. So. And today's kind of like a bad angle, but so what? And I'm bending on my knees. Sticky tape. Whoops, I cracked the box, but so what? The box is super pretty too. I'm guessing you pull it here, because oh, here's again this tricky plastic. I just don't know how to get this up. Watch me struggle. Wait, is it the same way? Whoops. So you basically pull this, so let's just pull it. Wow, here she is, and this is like the cardboard paper. It's so pretty. Wait, let me have a watch myself, because I have not ever seen this. Okay, so here how it looks like. This is so pretty. She has these like cute 3 braids in each side, and these cute yellow sunglasses. This kind of like a tweed skirt, you might say, and these pretty shoes, and this pretty top and everything. Now you have to pull over here. Oops. More sticky tape. I think I'll be able to open it. I'm just gonna crack it off with my nails. Oops, I didn't show you in the camera. Oopsies. The sticky tape. Okay, finally that is off. And now what you have to do is pull the doll. Great, more sticky tape. More sticky tape. There's still more at the bottom. This is so wrapped, and I forgot to do this off camera, but it's okay. I guess I'm just gonna do it now. Give a thumbs up if you want me to open up is the new L.O.L surprise, which is like still haven't came out yet. The Ariana Grande Kitty K. I'm super looking forward for that. And give a thumbs up if you want me to open up more of these L.O.L dolls. Okay. So I guess now you pull. Great, more. This is taking forever to open because the sticky tape is so hard. Okay, finally now we can wait. Okay, now what we can do is pull this. Here she is. She's so cute. So here she is. Here is Dazzle. She's super duper cute. So here's how does she look like, and she's actually falling out. So basically here she is, and this can also be for her like her room that she can stay in. So here how the box looks like, and then there is like a little lamp, as you can see, and there is like another more chandeliers, and this fell out, which I don't know why, but anyways, here it is. And here's like a cute black and white stripy effect at the back of her background. And now I dropped also whatever the stand is for it. And here she is. She is so cute. Here's Dazzle. And here's all the boxes and everything that you need to take out. So I'm just going to keep her like this laying. And I'm going to show you each by each. So here's this little box, and I wonder what is it going to be inside. L.O.L, I already know what it is. I'm just kidding. Because obviously, how can I know if I already unboxed her? It's like shiny orange. Oh, so here is the light. And here is the sunglasses. So here's these cute like green sunglasses, and here is her little light, which you pull out and yes, I don't know. I'm guessing you just shine the light on her. Okay, so here's the light for her, so she glows in the dark. Next, let's take out this clothes. Okay, here's the sticker of her. Here's Dazzle. There's no writings like there were for Candylicious. Next, we also need the scissors. This is stuck again. Where is this stuck? Here we go. Okay, I pulled it off. I'm just gonna keep actually Dazzle like that. So here is this little bag, and here's where her clothes is gonna be. It's like these kind of sprinkles. So let's open it up. Okay, so here it is. Here's like the mannequin body, I guess. And glove and it just fell out. So here's the little cute skirts. Next, let's take out her hair comb. Just gonna pull this out. Here's the pink hair gum, hair comb. Here's also one of those sticks that will make the doll stand. Yep, here it is, and it's nice, cute green, and there's two stands. And I guess you have to somehow do. I'm gonna look at the instructions afterwards. And here's the doll, which is the best part. She's already came dressed up, which is so cool because normally you have to dress it up yourself, and which takes me ages. Okay. Yep. This is so hard. This is connected. Her hair is now going to be probably the hardest thing to get it out because it's all stuck. Oops, I don't want to try to plait her hair. I might just pull these out. No, if I pull them out, they're going to be like a fail. This is so difficult. If I will make this one go through, there will still be more to go, so it's not going to just be like I finish this whole thing. This is literally so hard. Yeah, I don't know how am I going to get this off. I literally don't know how. But here's how she looks anyways. I probably will end up with the video not getting her off because this is so hard. How do you do this? Maybe you do this. I don't know what. Okay, I got one hair gum out. I hope I'm not cracking out her hair gums. Now what do you do? Once this video hits 16 or 17, I'm finishing it because this is too long. What do you do? I guess I'm just gonna try to pull her. Am I even showing in this camera? I wasn't even looking. Sorry if I didn't. Well, I don't know how to get out of this box because I'm tangled. Lol. Yep, I literally don't know how to get out of this box, and it's gonna take me forever. And I'm gonna just try one last time if I can take this out, because this is literally gonna take me for years to do. Or maybe you cut this. That will never be obviously it, because it's too little thing to do. Okay, now I'm holding it and yep, I don't even know how am I gonna end up doing this, so I guess I'll just need to end the video like this. So guys, here's basically how the doll looks like. As you can see, here's this, she also has these cute sparkles in her hair, but I clearly can't get her out because this is clearly too hard. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like to my channel. And give a big thumbs up if you want me to open up more wait. This is what you do. OMG, I think I might escape it actually. I might escape. Her hair is actually tangled and I don't know how am I gonna get this out. It looks like just on purpose. So I can't. Well, her hair got tangled one side up here. I got this side out. Oh, more. I just don't know how. So guys, I guess thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like to my channel. And give a big thumbs up if you want me to open up more dolls.